Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my other ones. I'm bringing you guys a super simple, no sew, no glue DIY because I really I have to tell you guys the background story on this before I get started. I have all of my shirts here, but you guys have to understand how this went about, and I'm going to tell you guys the whole story, so just keep on watching because it's low-key a story time, rant, DIY, everything combined. Alright, you guys, so I was just looking for a shirt that was like a casual, like athletic tank top shirt that was like a little bit, had a crop to it, and I went to different stores. I went to Marshall's, I went to the mall, I went to Forever 21, but I could not find a shirt that I needed for the look that I was going for, right? So then I decided to stop at TJ Maxx. I was looking around in the women's and the juniors, and I was looking at all of the different shirts, extra small, small, medium, large, everything. Okay, whatever. I'm looking through all the shirts. I could not find an athletic shirt that I liked. I went in the fitting room. I tried on all of my shirts, and again, none of the shirts were what I was looking for that look. So I was like, okay, let's just look in the kids section. Let's just look in the kids section. What is in the kids section? I don't know. Maybe I can just get like a really big kid shirt and wear that. I come to find these little kids section at TJ Maxx, okay? They have Adidas shirts. They have Champion shirts, okay? They have Calvin Klein jean shirts, and they have Nike shirts, okay? Now, when you go to actually purchase these types of shirts at a store like PacSun or a store like Dick's Sporting Goods, you will notice that it will be so overpriced. So say this Nike shirt. Okay, so I just picked up this large Nike shirt for kids, and this shirt was only $6.99. Okay, again, this is still kids, but the price was originally $20, but I only picked it up for $6.99. If I got an adult shirt that literally would look exactly like this, it would literally be like $35 to $40. And I literally picked this shirt up for $6.99. So I'm thinking, let's see what else they have. I'm going to tell you guys the price of all these shirts, and then I'm going to tell you guys how I'm going to style them, and it's going to look exactly like the shirts that I literally own and have. So I have literally a hat that says Calvin Klein jeans on it. I got it from PacSun. That hat was literally $39.99. It was like a $40 hat, right? Has the same exact logo on it, but it is a khaki hat, right? That was like $40 at PacSun. So I go to the TJ Maxx kids section. That first shirt I got was in a large. This shirt is in a size large for kids. But look at me. It fits, right? No one would know. Okay. Originally at Calvin Klein, this shirt is $24. But since this is still a kid's shirt, if you were to get a shirt like this for an adult, it would probably be about $40 to $50. I got this shirt for $7.99 in the kids section of TJ Maxx. We're not making this stuff up here. Super duper cute. We can easily DIY it. You guys already know. You already know. So I keep looking in this section. We're in the kids section. I find an extra large Champion shirt. At PacSun, you can find Champion for way overpriced. Now the original price of Champion is not on here, but I only got this shirt for $6. It is authentic athletic wear. Champion, extra large in the kids section. Y'all know Champion is trending. Y'all know Champion is trending. I got a hat from PacSun that was Champion, and I got a sweatshirt that was Champion. It was literally like $40 at least. This shirt was $6. Okay. Talk about do-it-yourself designer shirts for cheap. Y'all know where I'm going with this. Now I'm going to share with you guys my last top. Adidas. I actually own an Adidas top, which is from PacSun. I know for a fact I spent at least $40 on it. Like PacSun is like the same price for their high-end stuff, or like their designer. I got this in a size 4 for kids. It fits me so perfect, right? Now what I'm going to do with this one is crop it a little bit. So we're gonna start with this. You guys are gonna see how these come out in the try on part, because I'm gonna try it on when I'm done. So what I'm gonna do is take my Adidas top and literally just cut it from here, right below the Adidas sign, to here. Okay? So let's just do that. I'm just gonna cut it. Okay? Here we go. Oh, whoops. Grab your scissors and get to cutting. But it's just crazy to me because people spend all this money on these tops. Now, this is for people who really like, you can't afford to just go spend $40 on an Adidas top, but you want an Adidas top. Go to the kids section at TJ Maxx, y'all. And you can get it. So I'm cutting it up. You guys can probably hear it. This is one of those DIYs that are so simple to the point where it's just like, what? And it just had me shook. Because I'm like, how can I purchase a $40 Adidas shirt, but I can literally go to the kids section and get one that's my size, right? So I just cut it straight across. And this is what it looks like, a little crop top now. I just made myself an Adidas crop top. Is this real life? So I'm going to cut off a little bit because it started to get a little angular, I guess you could say. So I'm going to cut off a little bit more. This is an Adidas crop top, yo. Okay, I got this in a size 4. This was only $6.99. If I would get something like this at PacSun, it would be at least $40. The save right there is so much money, okay? Now what I'm going to do is take it where I cut it and just pull it right here. And now I have an Adidas crop top. Look at that, Adidas crop top. Y'all see it in the clip. Super cute, a nice, super tight fit too. And boom, DIY done. All you had to do was cut it and now you have a cropped Adidas top. How simple is that? All right, you guys, so now for this next one, this is Champion. So what I'm gonna do with the Champion one is really drastically crop it, and I'm gonna roll up the sleeves. So how I roll up the sleeves, I'm gonna just put this here. I'm just going to take it here, roll it up 1 time, roll it up 2 times. Okay, bang. Now let's roll up the other sleeves. I'm gonna cut this about halfway through, just literally a straight line from here to here. I'm just going to cut it. Okay, let's do it real quick. All right, you guys, I cut off this much. Perfectly straight across. A Champion crop top, yo. And this was only $6, okay? You go to PacSun to buy something Champion, it's $40. And I had no clue that I could do this until I was looking for an athletic shirt and couldn't find it in the women's or junior. So I said, let's just see what's in the kids section. And I found this. Boom. Right there. All you do is pull it once you're done cutting it. And you got a Champion crop top. All right, all right. So that's that one. $6.99. Y'all want some Calvin Klein? All right, let's roll up the sleeves. I'm gonna roll these sleeves up twice again, just like with the Champion one. Roll the sleeves up twice. It's something that's so simple to do, but people probably realize, don't even think to do this. They're like, oh, I gotta go to PacSun. No, you don't. Okay, roll up the sleeves twice. All right, for this one, I really do like this one. I'm not gonna make it super cropped because this is like in the center. So I'm gonna make this like a centered out piece. So I'm gonna cut like this much, and it's going to be like the perfect like kind of like low rise top, but not cropped. So I'm just gonna cut that. And you know your body shape, so just cut it to your body shape. So this isn't gonna be cropped, it's just gonna be like a shirt length shirt. You don't even gotta sew it or glue it or even like do nothing. It comes out perfect every time. It's just a straight line. And then what I do is like, what I like to do by pull it is, I mean, take the top where you cut it and then just pull it like this. And boom, you got a whole Calvin Klein shirt. They was trying to fool us at PacSun. They was really trying to fool us. This hat that I got from PacSun was literally $39.99. Calvin Klein jeans. Calvin Klein jeans. So the Nike one fit me really, really great on the sleeves. Nothing that I would want to roll up. But with this one, what I'm going to do is just tie it in a really cute knot. Not even having to cut this one. So I'm literally just going to take it and tie it in a really cute knot. So all you do is take it at the bottom. Grab just the front half of it. So here's your shirt. Gather this front half of it in towards the center. Start to twist it into a knot. Twist it like this. Grab it. And then pull it through. Just make a knot. That is easy. Pull it tight. And boom. You have a cute tied knotted Nike top. And you guys are seeing what this looks like on in the clips. You guys are seeing the Adidas top. You're seeing the Champion top. You're seeing the Calvin Klein jeans top. And you're seeing the Nike top. Alright, you guys? So I really hope that this video just like gave you guys some insight on ways to have designer like name brand t-shirts that are like super expensive at like PacSun and things like that. And you can literally just find them in the kids section at TJ Maxx or a store like Marshall's and create them for so much cheaper with a pair of scissors. All you gotta do is cut it and roll up the sleeves. Like seriously, that just like opened up my mind so much and I really had to share it with you guys. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this super simple DIY that not a lot of people probably are aware of. So I hope that this lightened your eyes, and leave in the comments down below which shirt is your favorite and which one you plan on recreating and how crazy this is to you, because I literally never knew this at all. Subscribe for more like outfit ideas, try on hauls, DIY, sometimes like cool things like this. I only do like the simplest DIY, so subscribe for that. I also do makeup tutorials, outfit ideas, advice, and so much more. So just check out my full channel. Also be sure to turn on my upload notifications by clicking that little bell after you subscribe. Thumbs up for more awesome, insightful DIY videos like this. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.